We started with the title, Chettinad Paneer Tikka. There is nothing like this on the internet. There is no reference in any cookbooks. We are inventing this for the first time ever. First time ever is what is inventing, right? First time ever. 5 dried red chilies, tablespoon of coriander seeds, a teaspoon of cumin, 2 teaspoons of fennel, half a teaspoon of black peppercorns, half an inch cinnamon, 2 cloves, 2 cardamom, quarter piece of mace, quarter piece of star anise, quarter teaspoon of stone flour, half a teaspoon of poppy seeds, and about 5 curry leaves. Grind it into a fine powder. Now we have a perfect Chettinad Masala. Empty the ground Chettinad Masala into a large bowl. Use gingelly oil brow. I'm going to add a quarter teaspoon of turmeric powder, 2 teaspoons of ginger garlic paste, squeeze some lemon juice, about 1 teaspoon of salt, quarter cup of curd. You could use hung curd or any thick curd, 1 tablespoon of Besan flour. Now I'm going to whisk all these together form the Chettinad Paneer Tikka marination. Instead of kasuri methi, I have added some finely chopped curry leaves. Look at the texture of the marination. It's as perfect as it could get. Half a cup of onion, half a cup of de-seeded and diced tomato, half a cup of capsicum. I'm adding 200 grams of large cube paneer. Now let's gently mix and ensure the marination coats the paneer. Whenever you're using a wooden skewer, always put it inside some water for 30 minutes before you use it. We're going to roast this on an open flame. So that's going to give you the nice charred flavor. I made a mistake. I gave space between each paneer cubes. The stick is breaking in these gaps. So I've eliminated the gap. I've stuck the paneer cubes together. I'm hoping this doesn't have the same issue. The good thing that we did here is we added some besan flour in the marination, because of which you could see that the marination is not even dripping on the stove, even though the marination has curd in it. The marination is pakka. We have finally created the first ever Chettinad Paneer Tikka in the whole world. Try this at your own risk. See.